Hello everyone, and welcome to another game of Exploding Kittens. As you can see, I got some characters. So...
I hate you so much.
Sorry guys, let me just turn that down for y'all.
The pleasure is mine.
There you go. I got this one too. So yeah. Oh. Actually, I think I'll do this. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you know what? This is gonna be fun. Let's go.
Your turn.
Ooh, I got another diffuse, okay. Okay. Okay, good. I got a lot of cards. Boom. Harry Potato! Potato? Come on. Come on.
It's your turn.
Ah. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. There might be a kitten on top. 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 I don't know why I'm singing, guys. Diarrhea. Oh, great.
Your turn.
Okay. Let's say I still have it. No! I lost. Boop. First game of the day, we lost. Let's try that again. Actually, well, no. Let's just do this. Okay. You know what? I might actually do this.
Jesus H. Christ, why did you do that?
I'll do this. Since everybody else says it.
Well played, Brodog.
Maybe that. Well,
Fear is for the fish.
I want to do that. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Okay, let's go. Do, 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 do,
OMG! Earns for the fish. Let's do brunch. Don't put it on top. I'm a little nervous about this transaction. That makes me angry. That was a Jocelyn game. Best of luck. I hate you so much. The pleasure is mine. You. Somebody get Jenkins on the line. Hello. My secretary is a fish. Well played. Whew.
I am a very lucky toad.
Okay.
My secretary is a fish.
I am a gentleman.
Okay. Hey guys. Times 2 diarrhea. Oh. Do, 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 do. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, as you can see in the bottom right here. Don't worry about that. As you can see right here, there's a thing right there where it says how long the video is going on. Dang it. Yeah, that's because I'm using a screen recorder and it has a little ad for it. So yeah, and I don't know how to take that off and do anything with it. I'm really bad at a lot of editing stuff. So yeah, I apologize if that is making... Did that stop the video? I don't know. I'm dead. So it says 7-0? Guys, I'm just seeing if that stops the video. If it doesn't, that's great.
I am a scared toad.
Should be around like... Okay, it doesn't. Okay, sorry. Sorry for doing that.
I am a very lucky toad.
So what? I'm a very unlucky person.
Somebody get Jenkins on the line. My secretary is a fish.
I'm gonna leave that game. Okay. Let's do dish. Guys, should I get streaking kittens? Put it in the comments below if I should play a streaking kittens, the betrayal pack, or just keep playing the party pack. Y'all decide. Put it in the comments below. Please like and sub to the channel. Please, because I mean the channel's been on for a year now and I only have 17 subs. Not joking. At the moment, I have only 17 subs. So yes, I'm really glad I have 17 subs though. And I love everyone that does sub. And it's kind of hard to remember to upload and do this, and yeah, but it is really fun. So yes, and I think well, there's someone outside. Okay, yeah, yes. I just thank everyone that does help me with subscribers, and yes, just thank you. Let's...
Chance. Good luck.
I'll do this guy. Because why not? Okay.
Jesus H. Christ, why did you let these out? I have a toasty warm bum bum.
It's your turn.
Okay. Let's go. 7% chance, 14 cards. 13 cards, 8% chance. Great. There's a 10% chance. Pick a corn. Oh, okay. You saw that? Oh, come on. Don't take the diarrhea one. Take that one then. No. Dang it. Give me the exploding kitten. I want the exploding kitten so I can get rid of this thing. Yeah. He won. Yep. That's just how I play, guys. 11:06, okay. Oh yeah, leave a like if you want to see me start doing some more Minecraft and all that kind of stuff, you know? And yeah. So, because right now I don't really know what y'all want to watch. So yeah. If you could leave a like, that means I'll try to get a Minecraft video up by tomorrow, but yeah. I'll do my best to. Yeah. I won't get on the world unless I am on, or the screen recorder is going, you know? So, yeah.
May the Lord bless these cards.
Your turn.
I have a toasty warm bum bum.
Okay. Let's get back to the game. Okay. Oh, that was pretty fast. Okay.
You will burn for that. Welcome to hell.
Kitty cat butt butt. It's your turn.
That was fast. I want to see my cards again. I want to see my cards. I want to see my cards. I want to see my cards. Shuffle them. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, I got diffuse. Well, boom. 8, 7, 6. Go. 5. Now. Man. Okay, that works. Ooh. I get a Kit Kat butt. I don't want to do this, but yo, I'm getting diarrhea and kitty cat butt.
It's your turn.
Kitty cat butt.
Kitty cat butt butt.
And diarrhea. And skip. And skip.
It's your turn.
And skip. I should double slap. Oh no. No. Boo. He's gonna double slap me.
Your turn.
Yeah. And do that. Then he wins. Gosh dang it. Double slap, yeah. Yes. There you go, guys. You get your daily scream. Sorry if that pierced your eardrums. Okay. Let's leave the game. How long? 16:05. Oh yeah, guys. Guess what? Hi. I can do that. Um. Play with stranger. I'm gonna play with a stranger. Oh no, it's lagging. Oh no, it's lagging. Guys, it's lagging. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that stayed indoors for the whole thing about the coronavirus. You know, and I do somewhat agree. Well, personally, I live in Oklahoma. There's not many people. So, yeah. I mean, there is still the isolation, you know, and I'm doing some of that. And yeah, don't worry about my mom yelling at my dog. Don't worry about it. So, yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's your turn.
Oh yeah, my dog always eats my cat, basically. So yeah, there's a
It's your turn.
funny thing. Dang it already? Come on. Yes. But the whole coronavirus thing is a really big deal. I do want all my viewers to be safe. You know? Wherever you are, be safe. But
It's
a
your turn.
lot of other YouTubers have already talked about this in their videos.
Your turn.
So, I mean, yeah. Oh, I'm dead. So, damn. Yeah. So, anyways. Yeah. So, yeah, just make sure to keep yourself safe. And, yeah. Sorry, I like saying yeah a lot. I'm doing my best to upload a lot more, you know. And, yeah. I'm gonna try. Sorry for the cussing in the background. I am really sorry about that. Like, I can't do anything about that, though, you know. But still, I'm sorry for it. Yeah.
It's your turn.
Okay, 10% chance. Okay, come on.
Your turn.
Come on. I'm gonna see. Okay. Haha.
It's your turn.
Ree.
Your turn.
Meow.
It's your turn.
Breathing. So it was that top. You know. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 kittens. Okay. I say kitty cat butt, diarrhea, and I stole a card. And I stole another card. Okay. And I single slap. And I double slap. Heh.
Potato.
Dang it. I have to draw. Oh wait, oh yeah, he has 2 turns left. Oh yeah. He's dead. Hey, I win. How long? 21 minutes? I say no, and I think that's where I'm gonna leave the video. So, I say stay safe out there, and see you dudes later. Goodbye.